That's what they do in the bars for cocktails. I've seen it. Very fancy way to clap on the mint. Q is for Quicksticks Quiche. You'll need zucchini, quarter cup of flour, grated cheese, crumbled feta, milk, 6 eggs, spring onions, and finally a handful of fresh mint. Start by chopping your spring onions. Chop up your mint. Slice your baby marrows into ribbons. There's it. Saute your vegetables until they become soft. Add a bit of salt and pepper. Give it a mix. Saute. That's a fancy word for fry. A real chef taught me that. Jan Hendrik, return my messages. My baby marrows have softened down. Remove from the heat and allow to cool. Add your mint, your cheeses. Oh, I love cheeses. My downfall. I love cheeses so much. And finally, your self-raising flour. Now I'm going to mix it together. Whisk up your eggs in milk. Oh, I love this quiche because it is so easy. There's it. Grease your pie dish with a little bit of butter. Ah, this reminds me of my granny. I'm spooning in my zucchini mix. Spread it out nice and evenly. Now pour in your egg mixture. Give it a mix and pop it in a 180-degree oven for about 40 minutes. Or until it's nicely puffed up and golden. The quiche is ready! Ta-da! DIY because anybody can. So, quintessentially quaint, said the queen to the quail when the quail brought the queen this quiche.